New Goodman right here. I honestly don't remember what this one replaced. Or wait a minute, it was a 2010 Carrier Comfort. This one is not in the Series 2 design. This is probably like a new old stock. Probably from like 2021 or 2022. 2022 GSZ14. Well, there you go. It just started up for me. There's also the Heil Century and a Ring Classic. The Ring Classic replaced an old Heil, and this ICP Performance replaced an old, not that old, 2007 Heil. And there's just a lead over here from 97, still here. This one just uses a scroll compressor though. Heil's Performance turned on while I was looking at some other units. Century.